I don't think I've ever had a big video of you, dude. Or Leo. Leo! Leos! Leos. Hey, baby. You want in? Knock. Knockley. Ooh. Peggy May. Look at you and your eye. You look like you got a flashlight for an eye, dude. Wow. That is insane. You can't see a reflection at all on that other eye, baby. Not in the yard, sucker. That is actually, I don't know. Is that a good thing? To reflect it like that? Huh, Mama? Hi. I love you. You have no idea. You are like one I record all the time. Alright, bye-bye.